Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, and today is Monday and Monday evening, and I'm making this a small video about pound index and pound trades today, and just wanted to show how easy it is if you pre-plan things, uh, and use this system that I have, Magic Ivy system. So let me show you. So let's get started. This is the chart that I send out to my subscribers, my weekly chart, pound index chart analysis. That this is the index is doing, and this is an impulse wave. This was the correction. We're starting drop below this level here, 70.82, and 65.68 is the key, and then hopefully we will be dropping if we stay below 68.41 right here. Okay, so based on this chart, I was expecting a pound weakness, and when pound drops, pound index will drop, pound will get weaker, and then what happened with the help of that? So let me show you what happened. When pounds, I tweeted here, so let's say pound index is coming off 68.41, all pound pairs will drop except EG, euro pound, because here in this pair, pound is on the right hand side. When pound gets weaker, this pair will go up. Everything else, pound is on the left hand side, and then they all will be going down with the pound weakness in the air. So when I saw this, you see this 68.41. So it started to come off from there, and I tweeted, and there was a news or somebody was speaking as well, and I was expecting the weakness, obviously drop in pound index, and then you saw that my tweet was that all pound index is coming off 68.41, and all pound pairs will drop. Then I said pound, bears, and bull having a fight with that news. The guy was talking about it, and there was pound was up and down and up and down, and all of a sudden here I said pound for now. Bears have the upper hand. Let's see. So bear shorts were prevailing, and the pound index start dropping, and all the pound pairs. And I only was able to tweet about one, GU short, and that's it. And then I got busy shorting all the pairs, like I said. And then I tweeted pound index from 68.41 to now at 67.41. Pound index dropped 100 points very short time, and I shorted all pound pairs, like I said. That's what I tweeted here. But you don't know if I shorted the pound pairs, all of them, like I said. So here's the charts. I made the charts later on today. This is pound newsy, 20-minute, and a couple of entries, and they are gone all the way down, right? And then the retrace, and I wouldn't even bother. I'm sitting on a break even, and I'm expecting more drops. So let's see what happens. And this is a pound CAD. I showed it right here. Late entry, like I said, that when you are going to open so many trades and manage them, and then by the time you get to the others, this is the beauty about the index charts, that if you can pinpoint that this index is going to go up or down, or it's about to move, when a pound or euro or Aussie anything or yen, then all the pair involving that currency will move, and you do it. I usually don't do it, but for the sake of showing how easy it is and how many trades or how many different pairs you have at your option to trade at one time, if you can pinpoint the index started to move, just like I did on this pound. Was expecting, the news was there, and the number was the level 68.41 start dropping, and all pound pairs start dropping, and I told you that everything is going to drop, and they did. So this is pound CAD, and look, this pound Aussie, beautiful, two entries, one here, one there, right from the top, and it went all the way down, right? And this is the number 77.78. It's also a big number here. And also, this is the old chart. What am I doing here? Pound Aussie and then pound yen. Here we go. Okay, nice entry here. This is all because of the pound weakness. Okay, and then pound USD, which I tweeted that I went short pound USD. Okay, so this is from there. I showed it back to 39.46, bouncing. Basically, they are all retracing a little bit to make the short setup again. new short setups and new entries. And the target, my target on this one is just 38, 35. Maybe tonight we'll get it, and then others. So this is how easy it is. If I knew that the pound, I was expecting with the weekly chart that the pound's supposed to drop, then it went up to 68.41, and it was a nice level to drop. And then there was somebody talking. It's just like you can say that there was a force coming in, a catalyst to move the currency, and it started to move in my direction. And I tweeted, this is what happened. The main point to notice that if you can pinpoint the index, for example, yen, if you can see that yen is about to get strong, all yen pair is going to drop. All yen pair is going to drop. Why? Because yen is always on the right hand side, and as soon as yen start getting strong, you have 8 or 9 pairs which at your disposal that you can trade, pick and choose any pair you want. Pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, all the everything yen will drop because yen is getting strong. So this is how when I said pound, you see, this is what I said. Pound index is coming off 68.41, means it was coming down, dropping. So all pound pairs will drop except pound was getting weaker, and so pound USD, pound is on the left hand side. Pound instead of euro, pound instead of except this one, and then you have all the pound pairs: the pound Aussie, pound USD, pound yen, pound CAD, pound. Everything is pound is always on the left hand side, and they all dropped. Okay, so this is what I was just wanted to show you, that you have this many pips in one day just because of that. Pound Newsy, a couple of entries here. Then you have pound CAD. Then you have pound Aussie. Then you have pound yen, and then you have pound USD. All of these trades, I shorted them, and this is in front of you. So my analysis and this magic IB system, you notice that everything was going up, blue candles, and all of a sudden from the levels they start turning red, and that's where you make entry. So just wanted to show you guys this, and like I said, if you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, and start trading like this. Okay. And right now, Aussie index is doing the same thing, but it's sitting tight, and it's thinking about moving in one other direction, which way we will see. We are waiting for a force, a catalyst to move the price. But pound index is sitting on the TL. Either it's going to break and drop or bounce from there. If it bounces, it's going to get strong. If Aussie dollar gets strong, Euro Aussie, pound Aussie is going to go down, and Aussie USD, Aussie yen pair like that, where Aussie on the left hand side will be going to the upside. So you will have several trade opportunities there. Similarly, yen index as well. Okay, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a great trading day and the week. And like I said, if you like, go on my website and subscribe and start trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.